video. Probably. I'm so. If you're looking for a fart phone.
Hey!
Bro, what fart phone? Thank God that doesn't exist. Budget phones. If you are the one who are looking for a smartphone that is under 15k, you could straight away buy this. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you this, that I actually got this smartphone from Flipkart Big Saving Days. So yeah, you can get this phone from like this event or like festival. So yeah, this is how I got this phone. And now let's get on to the video or unbox this package.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's a girl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are obviously doing another gadget unboxing video. Yes, it's a phone this time. Yes, I have unboxed many phones and he's from the Monster family. And yeah, that is a hint. That is a hint. And it's from Samsung, just saying the brand because you have to know which brand it's from, right? So yeah, also, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm AK7.TV. And I know some of you guys are watching my videos without subscribing, like, how bro, like, subscribe to my channel, please, help a sister out. So yeah, and also, we have a membership button now. It's called join. It's that big blue join button. You can press it and choose any rank you want. Obviously you have to pay for it because that's what membership is for. And you can, like, if you want more videos, like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you can see more videos like this. And make sure to share the video so that your friends can buy this gadget or something. And make sure to like the video, like, please. It helps me a lot, bro. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's move on to the unboxing. If you want to get this phone from like under 15k budget, this phone is probably the best one for you. It's linked in the description, of course, if you really want to buy it. And now let's get into the unboxing. This gadget inside this amazing box is from Flipkart Big Saving Days. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, let's unbox this package. Okay. If you didn't know, I got a bang cut. Just a little reminder of my hair. I'm stuttering a lot. Sorry, but let's open it. Of course, every unboxing I need to struggle through this, but it's pretty easy to do it for me because I'm used to unboxing as always. So yeah. Oh God, okay.
No.
Literally, my director confused me, bro. She said, don't cut it. And then she said, yes, cut it. Bro, stop. Stop confusing me. Alright, let's put this here. Now I have to respect the package, not throw it. The Samsung Galaxy F12 smartphone looks amazing. Just look at how classic and nice it looks. Looks very similar to the Monster phone actually. But yeah, let's open it. Alright. Do we have to cut it? Yes, we do. As always. Not as always, but only sometimes. Oh wow, this is so did it. So, oh my! This Galaxy phone looks amazing. I really like the back one. I really like the back of it. Like, look how beautiful this teal color looks like. But I hope you enjoy this ASMR. We'll keep it near to the microphone. Or you can just enjoy it. That was very satisfying. But let's keep it here for now. But look how amazing it looks like. The background of this phone. Oh my god. Can't use it yet because but I remember, but this has like a phone charger and obviously a plug, like. Alright, finally I got the charger out. Yeah, this is the charger. It looks really nice, but I'm gonna straighten it so that I can see it properly. And this is the plug. And does this have a warranty? Yes, it does. Alright. Okay, I don't know whatever this is, but it has some QR code thing. It's right here. But yeah, let's open it. Okay, this is where the warranty is, I think. And yeah, quick start guide. You can obviously read the quick start guide if you want, but I'm not gonna do that now because there are probably a lot of words. Original lock guide. Now we'll read that later. And yeah, warranty card. Here is the warranty card, and it tells everything about it. You can read it if you want. It's always an option, right? So. And now, let's move on to the highlights of this product. Oh, this gadget. Alright guys, I have on the phone and it's checking for some updates. It says it may take some few minutes. But meanwhile, we'll move on to the specs of this product. The one I got is a 64 GB variant. Oh, it looks like it's done checking the updates of this phone. Let's move on to the highlights of this smartphone. It supports Dolby Atmos. And it's amazing and great for music lovers.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you play the melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon?
It comes with an 8 megapixel with a front camera. Definitely perfect for selfie lovers. It comes with a 14 megapixel primary camera. It comes with a 6000 mAh battery. Massive. The storage of this mobile is expandable up to 512 GB. It enables easy multitasking because of the processor. It comes with a Exynos 850 processor. It comes with a dual SIM. And they've given it dedicated memory slot. This phone comes with a Type-C charging cable. They have given a Type-C charger cable. And it operates with Android 11. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Stylish design. And quite impressive. Just look at how nice the design looks. It comes with a scratch-proof back cover. So there's no headache of like buying a back case or like being worried about if you might drop your phone and it might break. Good job, Samsung. Good job. It comes with a side fingerprint scanner for easy lock and unlock. It comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is amazing. It comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. It has FM radio and FM radio recording. Overall, this is one of the best budget phones. If you are the one who are looking for a smartphone that is under 15K, you could straight away buy this. Oh my, we actually quickly came to the end of the unboxing. This was a big ride, isn't it? It was literally so fun to make this video. Like telling all of the specs about this like phone. And yeah, it's not really my phone, it's my definitely not raging in the behind of the scenes. Definitely not. If you want more videos like this or more gadget videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of these more videos. Make sure to have an amazing day and always be nice to each other. Bye!
I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some